Hi everyone, and welcome back to Newegg TV. My name is Paul, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and overview of this 29-inch super widescreen monitor from AOC. The model number is Q2963P_m. Let's start off with a quick look at the retail box. This is a 29-inch monitor. It's also 21:9 resolution. That's super wide, so if you like letterbox movies or you want a different layout for your screen space, this might be the monitor to go with. You have multiplay functionality, and that will sort of trick your computer into thinking you have multiple monitors attached. You also have, of course, the cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio. This is WFHD, or wide format HD resolution. The resolution is 2560 by 1600. You also have picture-in-picture or picture-by-picture, so you can get the little square in the bottom corner, or you can simply split your screen in half to watch two things. You also have HDMI for multimedia connection, DisplayPort as well. MHL, which is mobile high definition link, which with a compatible smartphone or tablet lets you easily connect via a single cable to the monitor, and you can basically use it as a secondary monitor for your smartphone or tablet, which is pretty cool. And then also you have in-plane switching for the LCD technology, which gives better color depth as well as a wider viewing angle. Here's a look at accessories, starting off with your video connection. So they are providing a VGA cable for an analog RGB connection. So if you have an older video output, you can use that to connect. You also have, oh, there's no cap on there. You also have a dual-link DVI connector. Bear in mind, to get the resolution on this monitor, you do need some additional video bandwidth, so go with the dual-link DVI. Same on both ends, as you can see. And then right here you have the MHL cable. So this one's kind of unique. If you're looking at this end, here it's thinking it's an HDMI cable. If you're looking at this end, you're thinking, hey, that's a micro USB cable. Well, it's both. This is for MHL, and you just plug this end into your smartphone or tablet, plug this end into the monitor, and then you can get some pretty cool functionality that way. It actually works quite well. We also have the AOC user's guide, monitor driver, as well as some eSaver and screensaver software on that disc. You also have a little cable tie. You want to tidy up your cables. You have an 1/8 inch, aka a 3.5 millimeter audio connector cable. You have some mysterious felt pads, which have adhesive on the back. And then you also have an AC adapter. This is the AC adapter brick. This is the end that plugs into the monitor. And this is the AC adapter cable right there that plugs into the brick. Of course, you also have this stand, which is here in the background, and then the monitor, which is resting behind that. So why don't I show you how to install that. So here's a quick stand installation. As you can see, there's two metal protrusions right there. You simply line those up with the stand after setting it on a flat and scratch-free surface, of course, and it snaps into place just like so. So fairly simple. Also, you notice a little push pin right there. There's one on either side. You can push that in, and voila, you can remove the stand as well. You might notice that you have some connectivity on this side on the bottom, as well as some more on that side over there. So let's go over those. First off, you have the HDMI/MHL port. So this will work just as a standard HDMI would for video and audio. You also have a DisplayPort output right here. So this monitor does support DisplayPort daisy chaining. You also have your audio input, your audio output if you want to plug in headphones, and then your power connector right there for that AC adapter. I just rotate this slightly to the side, and over here on this side we have the DVI connector. This is your DisplayPort in, so if you do want to make use of that DisplayPort daisy chaining, you will need a DisplayPort connection from your computer. And then finally you have your analog VGA connection. Also here on the back, you'll notice the AOC logo. There's a removable panel here. You just need a flathead screwdriver to pop that off, and you do have a VESA mount back there if you want to mount this to a wall, for example. You'll also note right here you have a speaker, so you have stereo speakers. There's one on either side, and then for the stand settings, I should say, you can do some tilt function. So let me get that straight so you can look at it from the side. So you can basically do a little bit of positive tilt that way and back down to just about vertical. Also, you'll note the width of the actual frame of the monitor itself, which is very thin, and that's thanks to the LED backlight. And here's a look at the monitor itself. I've plugged it in, so you have an image on the screen again. 29 inches measured from corner to corner, and 21:9 resolution. So right now it's at 2560 by 1080. You'll notice that our Newegg TV logo, which is 1920 by 1080, ends right about there. So that's kind of the difference between a standard 1080 resolution. You get that much more horizontal width on it. You also notice, of course, AOC logo down there in the bottom, and over here on the right side you have buttons, actual buttons, not not touch sensitive thingies. And by pushing those, you can pull up the menu right there. So let me show you how you do that. Selecting that, for example, will allow you to adjust the volume. Top button here is exit. By pushing any of these, it will pull up the menu, and then you can push the next button. For instance, this will get you into the settings, so you can adjust contrast, brightness, eco mode, gamma, and that sort of thing. Exiting from there, we also have this button, which will let you adjust the aspect ratio. Right now we're at 21:9. And then finally the lowest button, which will allow you to do a simple input select. Also, this will allow you to do your picture-in-picture or picture-by-picture mode. And that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Once again, this has been the AOC 21:9 29-inch super widescreen monitor. I'm Paul with Newegg TV, and if you enjoyed today's video, you can find more on our Newegg TV YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you all next time on Newegg TV.